So as of January this year, FTMO will no longer be accepting US clients. Now, what does this mean? And what does this mean for you guys who are based in the United States? Recently, we have seen a lot of articles coming out. The US is banning a lot of FX brokers, funding firms. We've seen it with my FOREX funds. We're now seeing it with FTMO. We've been seeing it with a lot of brokers who will not now accept any US clients. Now, what does this mean and what should you guys really be doing? Now, you guys know I have made the transition into futures. Futures is a much more regulated industry where this sort of thing does not happen. And in my opinion, and what I have been saying to you guys for this exact reason, is in the futures industry, you don't have to deal with manipulation from your broker, manipulation from these Forex firms that use brokers that you have never heard of or they control. Increase of spreads. Again, zero control over that. Unable to access real market data where you can see orders coming in and out of the markets. On futures, you can literally do all of this. If you trade futures, if you go for a funding firm or you trade personal, I do both. I trade personal on NinjaTrader and I trade funded on Topstep Tradeovate. Now, this isn't a video on a sales topic about Topstep. However, I just want to make it known to you guys that the reason I have been saying move to futures, this is one of the reasons, and also the reason, in my opinion, Topstep have better rules. I've made another video on Topstep risk management rules that you guys should follow. Topstep have zero control over the broker that you pick. On Topstep, you can choose from multiple regulated futures brokers. Topstep have no control over increasing spreads or not giving you good fills or manipulating any sort of market. If you guys go onto the charts and you look at gold on Awanda and then you look at gold on ForexCom, sometimes you'll see huge spikes, and that is literally because that broker, either Awanda or ForexCom, have been able to manipulate that price, which never happened on the futures exchange. Now, there's no broker in futures that are able to do that, because when you trade on Topstep, you are trading through, for me, Tradeovate or NinjaTrader. Now, NinjaTrader have no control over the price that you're seeing on the charts. This is the feed that's coming straight from the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. They have zero control over that. And it's so crazy to me that people still trade on brokers where they can manipulate you and stop you out in this day and age. In futures, it is literally impossible for that to ever happen. Now, more reasons for you guys to move to Topstep is them. Pick your own broker. Amazing. You have a huge amount of choice. If you trade on Mac and you want to trade straight on TradingView, go with Tradeovate. Tradeovate or NinjaTrader, my two personal favorite. Better rules. There's much better rules on Topstep for you to become a funded and a real trader. If you prove to Topstep on the funded account that you can trade that consistently, they will help you build a real live account and give you a real risk manager and talk you through and guide you through the entire process, which is absolutely phenomenal. There is no funding firm in the FX world doing anything even close to that. So pick your own broker, guide you more with better rules, give you a real trading career. Futures is way more regulated. Topstep have been around for over 10 years, paid out over $10 million. Amazing, clearly a very legit company, unlike these other ones that are popping up. Yes, you can use Topstep if you're based in the US. You can use Topstep if you're based around most places in the world. There is a list that you guys can go and check out and make sure you guys can trade with Topstep. I'm here in Australia. I can trade on Topstep. I have friends who are based in the US. They can trade on Topstep. I have friends based in the UK. They can also trade on Topstep. And the good thing about Topstep is you don't have to fork out $500 to $1,000 to just jump straight into a challenge. And that amount of initial upfront capital to some people, and myself at the time, was a lot. With Topstep, I can start an account with as little as $50 a month, and that stops whenever I pass. I pay the activation fee. Amazing. I'm trading on the futures markets. And the last point is, there is no instrument that you guys can trade on an FX broker that you cannot trade in the futures markets that I know that anyone actually trades. If you guys like to trade pound yen, you can trade pound and yen futures. Amazing. If you guys like to trade gold like me, I can trade gold futures. If you guys like to trade NASDAQ, amazing, you can trade NQ futures. And trading these futures, you guys are gonna see how good the execution really is. Everyone who I have helped make the transition into futures said, why did they not do this sooner? And I will never go back to trading FX, and neither will I. And this is another eye-opener with FTMO banning US clients as of January to leave the FX world. There is absolutely zero reason for you to continue to trade FX and be open to this crazy amount of manipulation that you have zero control over. The good thing about futures as well, last point, is you can analyze something such as Bookmap, which you can see real orders coming in and out of the markets. If that's something that you want to do, you don't have to guess if there's volume or orders in the markets. You can look at level 2, you can look at Bookmap. Amazing. All of these tools that in the FX world, again, you guys do not have access to. Now, if you've been trading Forex for a long time and you want to continue trading Forex for whatever reason, I'm not saying don't do it. I'm just saying be open to the fact that whatever platform you are trading on, there's no guarantee that that is going to continue to be extended. My Forex funds have gone. FTMO are now not accepting US clients. Other brokers aren't accepting US clients. So for you guys based in the US and anywhere in the world, be open to this and just slowly start making the transition into futures. I did it slowly. I've been trading futures purely for around 9 months now. I made the transition from FX to futures over the past year and a half. And the transition for me took its time. I got used to the tools, and now that I can use these tools, I would never go back. So be very careful. FTMO, as of January this year, will not be accepting any more US clients. Be safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.